Hi, welcome to Financial IT. I'm Chris Principe, the publisher of Financial IT, and I'm here today to take on one of the questions that a lot of people are asking in the industry, which is how do cryptocurrencies and the blockchain technology impact financial services going forward? So it's an interesting question and something that at Financial IT we've been studying and reporting about since Sybos 2015 in Singapore. And I think one of the first things people think about with cryptocurrencies is Bitcoin, which is easily the best known out of the cryptocurrencies, although it has cast a dark shadow on the industry with platforms that was shut down because they didn't perform properly, and because the Bitcoin technology actually allowed payments to be made without the proper due diligence and compliance that are required by the global regulatory authorities and the banking industry. So that presented a lot of challenges, and we wanted to go out there and dig a little deeper into this. And one of the people that I was able to speak to about this was Dr. Ruja Ignatova, founder of OneCoin, and got her take on this. And what she had to say basically is that OneCoin is designed from the beginning with the blockchain technology to enable full compliance, transparency of the people who are buying and selling, and that the approach for OneCoin is to have a valuation that people can use to buy and sell things that they need, to be able to send home remittance money to their loved ones, and to be able to do this in a way that is faster and cheaper than the traditional banking systems. So that was very interesting for us, and we again looked a little bit deeper into it and found that the banks in particular are not addressing a lot of the needs of the consumer and more importantly of the small to medium-sized corporations. And the way that they're addressing it today is with fees on their payments, fees and spread on the currency exchanges. And these pretty much amount to a penalty on the poor paying the poor. The bigger customers pay much less and they get much better attention from the banks. It's even more pronounced when you look at the unbanked. These are the people that are not part of the banking system that the banks are not really interested in being able to address. It's difficult for them to address those people. But with a cryptocurrency, they're now able to be part of their local and global economies. So this has really been a game changer, we think, in the industry in general. We think that going forward, a fully compliant cryptocurrency, OneCoin being one example, will be able to transform and revolutionize some areas of the banking space where the banks today are either reluctant to participate in or just uncompetitive in, and take a very complex thought of what is cryptocurrency and make it a very simple, basic transaction that the common person can understand and can be able to use that in their day-to-day life, as well as the small corporations in their day-to-day life. So our assessment of cryptocurrencies based on the blockchain technology is that going forward, there is a very strong opportunity for a cryptocurrency to play a role as a major trade currency and allow cross-border payments and settlements to be done faster, cheaper, and easier than the banks today. So thank you very much. This is Financial IT. I'm Chris Principe, and we will continue to look at this very interesting topic of cryptocurrencies based on the blockchain technology.